I'm going to show you how to take live photos on iPhone. So if you didn't know, a live photo on iPhone actually captures a couple seconds of footage in every photo. So let's go to the camera. And as you see here, I just have a normal picture here, and you want to turn the live feature on. So go ahead to the six dots at the top right-hand corner, and that's going to give you some options here. As you see, it says live. So as you see, it's crossed off. So we want to hit this, and then it is currently turned on. So then we can go ahead and come out of here, take a photo, and what that's going to do is it's going to capture a couple seconds of that photo. So let's go out of here, and let's go to our photos, and let's go find that photo that we just took. So as you see, when you're looking at the photo here, it actually says live at the top left-hand corner, and what you can do is click and hold, and you're actually going to get a couple seconds of footage from that live photo. So that's really it. All you have to do is go to your camera, make sure that the live feature is turned on, go to your six dots at the top right-hand corner, and just make sure that live feature